In the ever-evolving world of electric vehicles, automakers are continually striving to meet the demands of environmentally conscious consumers while also offering innovative and exciting features. Toyota, one of the automotive giants with a long history of producing reliable and popular vehicles, is gearing up to make a significant change. The company has announced its intention to offer manual gearboxes in their next-generation electric cars. This decision marks a paradigm shift for Toyota and the EV industry as a whole, with implications for affordability, driving experience, and the future of automatic transmissions. Toyota's bold move. Toyota's move to introduce manual gearboxes in their next-generation electric vehicles represents a bold step into uncharted territory. Traditionally, Toyota has been associated with automatic transmissions, thanks to its pioneering role in introducing reliable and fuel-efficient automatic transmission technologies. However, the shift towards manual gearboxes in EVs signifies a change in the company's approach. Attracting a new market segment. Offering manual transmissions in electric cars might help Toyota appeal to a new and diverse group of consumers. Manual transmissions are often associated with driving enthusiasts who enjoy a more engaged and interactive driving experience. This move could open doors to younger, performance-oriented drivers who value the sense of control and connection to the road that manual transmissions provide. Innovation and adaptation. In an industry rapidly transitioning toward electric and hybrid vehicles, innovation and adaptability are crucial for automakers. Toyota's decision to offer manual gearboxes in electric cars shows its readiness to adapt to changing consumer preferences and to maintain its position as an industry leader. This bold step highlights Toyota's commitment to staying relevant in an evolving market. Differentiation from competitors. The inclusion of manual transmissions in their EVs might set Toyota apart from its competitors in the EV market. While many other automakers focus on automatic transmissions and self-driving technologies, Toyota's embrace of manual gearboxes could attract a unique segment of customers who prioritize a more hands-on driving experience. Affordability implications. One of the most pressing concerns surrounding the electric vehicle market has been affordability. EVs often come with a higher upfront cost compared to their internal combustion engine counterparts. The introduction of manual gearboxes in Toyota's electric cars has several implications for affordability. Lower base price. Manual transmissions are generally cheaper to manufacture than automatic transmissions, which often come with advanced electronic control systems. As a result, offering manual gearboxes could lead to a lower base price for Toyota's electric vehicles. This might make EVs more accessible to a wider range of consumers, ultimately driving greater adoption. Reduced maintenance costs. Manual transmissions are known for their durability and lower maintenance costs compared to automatic transmissions. By opting for a manual gearbox, Toyota could offer consumers a more cost-effective and sustainable choice, further enhancing the long-term affordability of their electric cars. Enhanced competitive edge. In a market where affordability is a key driver of consumer decisions, Toyota's embrace of manual transmissions could give them a competitive edge. Potential customers may find Toyota's EVs more budget-friendly compared to other brands, helping Toyota secure a stronger foothold in the growing EV market. Coexistence with automatic transmissions. While Toyota's decision to offer manual gearboxes in their next-generation electric cars represents a significant shift, it does not necessarily imply the exclusion of automatic transmissions from their lineup. Toyota recognizes the diverse preferences of consumers when it comes to transmission types and aims to cater to a broader range of customer needs. Diverse consumer preferences. The automotive market is incredibly diverse, with consumers having varied preferences when it comes to transmission types. Some drivers prefer the convenience of automatic transmissions, especially in traffic-heavy urban areas, while others value the engagement of manual gearboxes. By offering both options, Toyota can cater to a broader range of customer needs and maintain their existing customer base. Hybrid models. Toyota has a long-standing commitment to hybrid technology, which combines both electric and internal combustion engines. For their hybrid models, automatic transmissions remain essential due to the integration of electric and gasoline powertrains. Therefore, automatic transmissions will likely still be offered in Toyota's hybrid vehicles. Electric and hybrid lineup differentiation. Toyota may choose to differentiate its electric and hybrid vehicle lineups, offering manual transmissions in the former and automatic transmissions in the latter. This strategy allows the company to maintain their automatic transmission technology in hybrid vehicles while embracing manual transmissions for their all-electric models. Toyota's decision to offer manual gearboxes in its next-generation electric cars marks a significant shift in the company's strategy. This move reflects Toyota's willingness to adapt to changing consumer preferences and to attract a broader range of customers, including driving enthusiasts who value a more engaged driving experience. From an affordability perspective, the inclusion of manual transmissions could result in lower base prices and reduced long-term maintenance costs, making Toyota's electric vehicles more accessible and budget-friendly. This approach may also help Toyota gain a competitive edge in the EV market. Importantly, the introduction of manual transmissions does not signify the abandonment of automatic transmissions by Toyota. The company is likely to continue offering automatic transmissions in its hybrid vehicles and may choose to differentiate between electric and hybrid lineups to cater to diverse consumer preferences. In summary, Toyota's move to offer manual gearboxes in its next-generation electric cars is a strategic and innovative step that will undoubtedly have implications for the company's market positioning, affordability, and product differentiation, while not neglecting the continued importance of automatic transmissions in their lineup. Toyota's commitment to innovation and adaptability positions them as a key player in the evolving EV industry. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more videos on interesting topics like this.